Good morning to all of you. My name is Devendra. Today is this week's session. So my topic is honesty is the best policy. It is said that honesty is the best policy. If we are honest, God sees us. People nowadays are less honest with each other, which make living in this modern life is not easily at all. The fact is that people are not honest causes problems, some of which could hurt someone others badly. In my opinion, lying is not a solution, not a good job to do. I agree. The statement honesty is the best policy. If we do not lie, we will take advantages from it. Everyone will trust us. We will have good friends, a great job, and of course a good life to live. An example for this is my oldest sister who graduated from college. She never lied, and she never is the one that you can believe. Employer always want to have honest people to work for them. My sister has got a great job and she worked hard too. Being honest in her job, she has got quick promotion to higher position. She has many friends who are ready to be with her and help her in need. My sister's life is good in my opinion. So with honesty, she has lots of friends. She is in a good job. With honesty, she has lots of friends. If we are not honest, others do not respect us. If we lie to someone for the first time, he or she always doubt on you. Always you lost their trust. Lying does not give us benefits. Being honest give us comfortable feeling for our life. When we dishonest, we have fear to cover many things. We are always try to cover those things. We always in fear, and so this is bad thing. In my opinion, people also think that if I tell lie in that topic, then you got success. But how much time your lie will go? At the end, when you lie caught, then people laugh on you. So why we choose dishonest? And that's why honesty is the best policy. Thank you.
Very good, very good.